If you make these small changes in your diet, you can see that your health improves and you lead a very healthy and fit life. Hello, today we are going to talk about the diet in your 40s and 50s. This is an age where you need to make a lot of changes in your diet to remain healthy and fit. Let's see how. First of all, replace the refined foods which you take in your diet with whole grains and whole foods like millets, lentils, different type of sprouts. They help in giving you more nutrition rather than packaged foods and refined foods. Second thing, replace the refined oils which you use in your daily cooking with healthy fats like ghee, homemade ghee, then coconut oil, olive oil, and reduce on butter or refined oils, palm oils, canola oils. Also in your diet, you can take healthy fats like nuts, almonds, cashews, avocados, but they should be taken with proper guidance from a dietitian. Third thing, you should always include fruits, whole fruits rather than the fruit juices, so you get more fiber and more nutrition, and also the nutrition from the seeds and peels because you tend to eat them before throwing them out. Fourth thing, include more of vitamin C rich fruits in your diet. They help in your bones and teeth to help them remain healthy and strong. Vitamin C rich fruits are all type of citrus fruits, tomatoes, guavas, and the most important is amla. So include them in your diet. And the fifth and most important thing is reduce in your intake of alcohol and carbonated beverages and replace them with good old water and probiotics like lassi, buttermilk, kombucha, shikanji, kanji. You can also have lemon juice or fresh fruit juices. But it is very important to reduce your intake of carbonated beverages, alcohol, and tea and coffee. It should be consumed in moderation. If you make these small changes in your diet, you can see that your health improves and you lead a very healthy and fit life. Wish you all the best. Follow this channel for more tips. Thank you so much.